All right, take a look at the iZEEKER 4K UHD dash cam. So we got instructions. We got the dash cam itself. That is pretty cool. Let's take a look at this. So that is a 32 gigabyte microSD card. A USB-C, I assume that's for power. And we got our hanging hook. On the right side, we got our controls. So we got power, menu, microphone, record. Looks like we got our microphone there in the bottom. And then we got a nice looking display on the back. So this is our mount, and I always like these. These are the suction cup style, so we don't have to worry about putting adhesive on our window. So with this, all we have to do, rotate this knob on the back, and that will cause the suction cup to suck in. So you get a nice, good seal on the windshield. And then this hook, slide it right into the dash cam. So what's cool about that is you can easily take this thing off and put it back on. Oh, yeah, look at that. Looks like it's got its own battery. That's cool. So it does come with a car outlet adapter, and I also really like that this actually has a USB-A port in the back. So you can turn your car outlet into a power supply for the camera, as well as a power supply for whatever else that you have. So that's neat. And we also have a USB-A to USB-C cord. Now, I always like it when they give you these things. This is just a little plastic pry tool, so you can use that to pop the trim out. So you can feed those wires along the trim without having to hurt your fingers. So these are very nice to have. So we'll choose English. That looks about right. Cool. And that is it. We are recording right now. So that's pretty awesome. This thing is just going to work right out of the box. So now I'm just going to go install it and we'll see how it looks.